First they took the advertising, then they took the journalism. Not a bad day for the government to order Facebook and Google to pay the Australian media for their news. The big US tech companies have thrived during the pandemic. Apple smashed its quarterly revenue expectations, Amazon posted a record quarterly profit, and Facebook's results were better than expected. The Nasdaq was the exception on global markets. Almost everywhere else there was fear of the virus, of a stalling US economy, and of Donald Trump's tweets. It was a sorry end to the week for the local market, with investors targeting banks, energy and mining stocks. AMP said its first half profit was hurt by the pandemic. Analysts reckon Sydney Airport might delay investor payouts until 2022. Commodity prices recovered across the board. We could be in for the worst corporate profit season on record, but here's what happened after the last recession. So it'll be interesting to see what happens to this as we emerge from this crisis. Companies will be cost-cutting, particularly wage costs, so the corporate survivors can become quite profitable. Here's something you don't see every day. Gen Z, those under 25, saw a massive increase in their investment income during the June quarter. Why? Because they withdrew their super. In fact, the older you were, the smaller the increase. The people with all the investments didn't do that well. The Australian dollar is at an 18-month high against the flagging US currency. And that's finance.